I got this super I originally requested for her I originally requested for her Hi guys, this is rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another haul for you guys. Medyo marami ako na-accumulate ng mga nabili ko from SM, Watsons, Forever21, EO, and then yung mga nabili ko din online. The first thing I got is this. If you've been watching my vlogs, you know na nakabili ako ng hard drive. I needed an external hard drive kasi yung lapi ko puno na yung memory niya. Hindi na ako makapag-transfer ng videos. I actually forgot how much this was. I will need to check my email for the price. So I will leave all the prices information below. But this one is from Transcend. So ito yung lalagyan niya. It has 1 terabyte of memory. Gusto ko sana kunin yung black, kaya lang wala na silang black. Meron natira. Nung nag-order ako, merong natira neon green at saka itong baby blue. And I went for the baby blue. It's working great so far. And I have a lot of files already kept in here. Medyo maarte yung pag-move ng aking mga fingers. I literally just painted my nails like 15 minutes ago. So, hindi pa siya completely dry. And medyo shiny pa siya kasi I put on my quick dry. So, medyo maarte ang ganap ng ating fingers ngayon. Okay, another online purchase. I got 2 things from BeautyMNL. I got the Maybelline Super BB Cream. I did a review on this. I will leave the link below. I know, sobrang tagal ko na tong binili. Pero I decided to include this kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys na hindi ako nakatanggap ng stippling brush. Maraming nag-message sa akin kung nakatanggap ako ng stippling brush. I actually expected na makakatanggap ako. That's one of the reasons why I ordered this. Nung in-order ko siya, sabi niya, you will receive the free stippling brush. When I got it, I didn't receive any free brush at all, which is kind of a bummer kasi in-expect ko na. Sinabi na nga niya eh. Nung pag-check out ko, sinabi niya na meron kang stippling brush na free, pero wala. So, yeah, that's kind of a bummer. Another purchase from BeautyMNL is the Color Sensational Lasting Lip Color. This is in the shade 235 Warm Me Up. I also did a review on this already. So, it's just a really nice nude lipstick na feature ko din to sa top 5 local favorite lipsticks ko. This was on sale, $250. I'm not sure kung on sale pa rin sila ngayon. But if you're looking for a really nice nude lipstick, I highly recommend this. Ang ganda niya sa lips, super creamy. And yeah, again, the review will be below if you're interested to know my thoughts on that. And then, binigyan nila ako ng free Lancome Advanced Genifique Serum ata to. But yeah, it's just a sample size. And then, a few months ago, I won a giveaway. Shoot, I forgot her name. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya, basta nag-giveaway siya. Nanalo ako sa giveaway niya. Meron siyang shop, Crystals and Chains on Facebook. And I won this bracelet. I originally requested for the bestseller na bracelet niya, kaya lang sold out na. So I went for this. Tawag sa bracelet na to is Orphix. As you can see, medyo bulky yung chain niya. I actually really like this bracelet, you guys. I started wearing it as soon as I arrived. Kasi dumating to, nasa holiday ako, and sabi ko, oh, I can't wait to go home para masuot ko siya. But, wala pang 1 week. Nag-tarnish na siya. I'm not really sure if you can tell. Pero yeah, nag-tarnish na yung chain niya, which is kind of a bummer. I'm not sure if I did something wrong. I remember I did dishes and I wore this. As in, yung whole chain talaga nag-tarnish na. But I really like the crystal. Maybe I can do something about it. Siguro tatanggalin ko yung chain na nag-tarnish tapos palitan ng... I don't know what I will do. Pero gusto ko yung bato niya. Speaking of jewelry, I actually also got this from my sister. Yeah, binigay niya sa akin for Christmas. Marami kasi nagtanong kung saan to galing. So, it's from my sister. It has a gold chain. Tapos, meron siyang blue beads na ganap dyan sa pendant niya. Thank you, sissy, for that. And then, Shirlene, the owner of Prettyangelshoppe, sent me some stuff for Christmas. I wasn't expecting it at all. I actually vlogged it. Nung pag-receive ko sa kanya, I was so excited. But, she gave me a gift. It came in this kind of, I don't know, box maybe? Beauty box maybe? It looks like that. The box is from Trio. And meron siyang mirror. Medyo sira yung mirror niya, but it's okay. Kasi may plano ako actually sa mirror. Gusto kong kunin yung mirror tapos ilagay sa aking bathroom. Parang idikit lang ba kasi walang mirror yung bathroom ko. And then yung laman niya, she gave me a planner which looks like this. I'm not really a big planner person, but I think I'm gonna use it. Just, you know, put like what video I'm gonna upload on that day. So I think this will be really helpful. Thank you so much. I really like like it. And then, she knows me so well. She gave me 3 nail polishes, you guys. The first one she gave me is from Annie. This is in the shade Green Meets Mint. And it's a really pretty, kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, you can see the color. It's so pretty. I can't wait to put that on my nails. And then, next one is the Omg Nail Lacquer in the shade After Parties. And then the last one is again from OMG. This one is from the Gems collection. And hindi ko mabasa yung shade name. Kinat niya yun dito. It's a really nice kind of like red, violet, and silver glitters. Thank you so much, Shirlene, for that. As in, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. And then, I went to Executive Optical. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I actually have a different colored contacts right now. I have on my gray contacts that I got a while back. I think Mist Gray ang tawag sa shade na to. From EO, I got a contact lenses solution kasi nung nagpunta kami sa city, nakalimutan ko magdala ng contact lenses solutions. It's from LensFlo. Pinili ko lang yung pinakamura from EO. Ganito kalaki yung solution niya, tapos meron na siyang free na contact lenses case. And then I also got the EO Sauflon Comfort Drops. Yung laman niya nasa purse ko na. Ginagamit ko siya especially kapag sobrang nagre-red yung mata ko when I have my contacts on. Kasi lagi siyang nangyayari sa akin na kapag pumunta ako ng mall, sobrang lakas ng AC, namumula yung mata ko kasi galing ka sa mainit tapos pumasok ka sa mall. And then I got another pair of contact lenses kasi you guys, nagpunta kami sa Bukid one time. Hinubad ko siya kasi we stayed there overnight. So kailangan ko matulog. Hinubad ko siya. Hindi ako nagdala ng case kasi hindi ko naman expect na mag-spend kami ng night doon. Yung ginawa ko is nilagay ko siya sa disposable cup. Tag-iisa silang dalawa kasi magkaiba yung grade nila. So hindi ko sila pwedeng ipagsama kasi diba, malilito na ako after. Pagising ko guys, pagtingin ko sa nilagyan ko ng contacts ko na wala na yung isang disposable cup. Hindi ko alam kung saan napunta. So kailangan kong bumili ulit ng brown na contacts. Yes, I know I have the gray. I'm just not comfortable to wear gray like regularly. Parang vavavoom kasi sobra yung gray. So I decided to get the Flexwear colors. This one is in the shade Cinnamon. I was gonna go for the same shade that I had before. Kaya lang naubusan sila nung sa grade ko. I will definitely show you guys kung ano yung itsura niya sa mata sa mga vlogs ko kapag sinuot ko siya. And then I went to Forever21. I got a t-shirt dress. Hindi sana ako bibili. Sabi ko hindi na ako bibili. I saw this and I was just like, I just cannot pass that up. So I got a t-shirt dress. I really like the color. It's kind of like a brownish gray color. And meron siyang slit dito sa gilid. Yeah, gustong-gusto ko siya. So, napabili ako ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi na ako magsha-shopping. Sure na talaga, hindi na talaga. And then, I got Bobbie Nail Polish Remover. This is a really good nail polish remover. So, I decided to get the biggest one. This will last me forever. I have the same nail polish remover, pero yung maliit na bottle. And sobrang konti na lang tira. So, I decided to go for the biggest one. This is 120 pesos. And then, I got 2 nail polishes as well. I got the OMG Gems Collection Nail Polish in the shade Beryl. And then, I also got Klik Nail Lacquer in the shade Super Black. I've been wanting a black nail polish, so I got that. And I'm not really liking that brand at all. Ang bilis niya nag-chip. So I don't recommend the Klik brand. Tsaka siya guys. Mas marirecommend ko pa rin yung My Posh. Mas mura pa, mas long-lasting. O diba, bongga? And then, si Ems nag-message sa akin on Facebook. And she told me about the Colorshow Creamy Matte Lip Color. Hindi ko alam na meron silang ganyang ganap. So when she told me about it, and she told me it's only 150 pesos, pagkadating ko from my holiday, nagpunta kami ng Watsons and nakita ko to and I'm so happy because this is the exact shade that she told me about. This is in the shade Lively Violet. I am not gonna open this yet because I will do a first impression review, but I did swatch it sa counter ng Maybelline and I really like the shade. I cannot wait to do a review for you guys. I got this bath mitt with cotton and polyester. This is 79.50 pesos. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang siyang bilhin para mag-help sa pag-scrub ng aking body. And then, i-repurchase ko sana yung aking Lulur Indonesian body scrub something. Pero they ran out, so I decided to go for this one. This is the Bonne. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's the Spa Milk Salt. I remember using this when I was in college and I really like the way it smells. So I'm excited to use it again. This is really inexpensive. 80 lang siya. And ooh, I also got another nail polish, guys. This is from My Posh, and no, this is not my all-time favorite shade. I looked for it. Wala pa rin silang stock hanggang ngayon. I don't know if they're going to restock. Ano ba? Out of stock na ba yun? Nakakaloka. Sobrang tagal na. Anyway, I got it in the shade Warm Beige. Sobrang similar siya sa Sassy Nail Color na parang may beige din. Yung favorite ko is yung touch of beige. Wala na sila nun. I will let you guys know what I think about this pag nagamit ko na siya, of course. And then the last thing in here, you guys, is this. Another recommendation from one of you. Someone commented in one of my videos to try this. So this is from Pinkies collection. This is their matte lipstick in the shade Bark. And yes, I will do a first impression review on this as well. This is 199 pesos. I actually swatched it on my actual lips and I liked it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for that. And yeah, that's basically it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you're not yet already. Yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Do not forget, be good. Bye!